We in New Zealand Fashion Tech have become aware through this membership of the Sustainable Business Network of the tremendous waste of textiles that there are in the world. A lot of the European countries have either on the books or actually planned legislation to actually charge people for the amount of textiles that go into landfill. So we've been looking at ways that we've always looked at ways that we can reuse our materials, reuse our things, reuse our resources, everything we can. Right, good morning everybody. We've got a project here that came to us, was offered to us by Red Cross. Now, I have been asked to actually sit on a, through the Sustainable Business Network, on a special like think tank that is trying to work out how in New Zealand they can do something about the proliferation of garments that are clogging up our landfills. We send shiploads of textiles overseas to the islands of that. It's just, it's becoming a waste. And we've been given a wonderful opportunity by Red Cross. I'd like to introduce you to two of the people from the Red Cross. The first is Andy Lowe, who's next to me here, Andy, and Rob High. And Rob and Andy are both going to speak to you about Red Cross and what Red Cross is doing, and also about how we came to have this collaboration between us.
So just thought we'd give you a bit of a background on Red Cross, because obviously everybody's seen Red Cross a lot with the Christchurch earthquake. It seems to be that they only pop up during emergencies, but we'll just sort of give you a bit of a background on who they are, because they've been around a very long time.
Our mission in New Zealand Red Cross anyway is to support vulnerable people through the power of humanity, which I think is quite apt, especially right now, with things that have happened in Christchurch. I think you can tangibly see that, and we, of course, all the national societies go under 7 different principles, which is impartiality, neutrality, humanity, universality and unity. They have different principles, and as a Red Cross person you kind of live to those principles. Yeah, I really love that about Red Cross as well, because even though I guess I'm not wearing a Red Cross t-shirt or anything, I always remember that whenever I'm doing Red Cross work, and that's really important, especially with all the other roles I'm in as well. Yeah.
Besides all of that work that Red Cross does, one of the things they want to do is build awareness of issues. That's besides the practical work they're doing, they're also working about building awarenesses. And one of the things that they want to do with you is actually provide you with a bag of 5 garments each, and there will be quite a lot of variety in the style of the garments, all right? You'll have 7 class days, including today, to complete the project. So each of you will be given a bag of 5 Red Cross garments, a random selection. These garments will be deconstructed as necessary, dismantled, unpicked, and/or cut up, and then reused. The garments must be constructed using appropriate industry methods. The garment outer must meet New Zealand Fashion Tech quality standards that you've been establishing all your way through the programs. And they will be featured in our show in the end of the year. They will also be put on Facebook for the public to vote on, and they will also then be featured in the Red Cross stores as part of the whole exercise that they're doing. Tuesday 4:30, all garments completed or otherwise are handed in. Wednesday, judging day, 10 till 2. You'll be expected to present your garments to the judges and give a brief talk about your design ideas and inspiration and any construction challenges you had. Photographs will be placed on for public voting on the 22nd of October, and November the 6th the garments will be shown at the Diploma Runway Show. Right? Cool. What do you reckon? Good challenge? Yeah. It is interesting, isn't it? Okay, everybody, thank you very much for your time. Appreciate it.